Good morning, everyone. Day 4 of my English learning, and my topic is Bhimrao Ambedkar. All we know that he was very contributing member of our Constitution Assembly. He was that person that he write the our Constitution, and he was the member of our assembly. He is not only a member but also a very powerful and very effective and very intelligent and brilliant person. All we know that he write our constitution when he was child. He was not even drink water in the same pot everyone drink, and not let him study in the same classroom. And he was very he is always discriminated by his caste. This was very popular. All we know that he was during the childhood, he was always discriminated, and because of his low caste. And all we know that he he was not he was not accepted all of these. He was make himself brilliant, himself strong and study. He know that when he study when he study hard, he was going to change this discrimination. And then he proved them that study is powerful thing that change everything. When he studied and go to abroad for study and come back, when our country is free, our independence, then we need to make a constitution to follow our country, India. And then everyone decided who is going to write our constitution. Everyone knows that only a Bhimrao Ambedkar can do this very easily and capable of this. And he write this constitution. He write this our constitution. When he got chance to write constitution, then he decided to make everyone equal rights. He add equal rights to everyone, not only a higher caste but only a lower caste, the same for constitution. He completely destroyed the discrimination, untouchable, and give everyone same rights, same freedom. Because of him, today we have great constitution in the world, and all we know that this is only because of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. And thank you for this, Sir Bhimrao Ambedkar. And if you want to learn English and make your English fluent, please join me and learn together. And anything I tell make mistake, anything I make error, please don't mind it. I'm also a beginner and try to learn. Thank you so much.